Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It is April 7th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. Before we do anything, I need you guys to do a major favor for me. And it's such a big favor. You're not going to believe what I need you to do. I need you to stop and hit that like button. Each and every one of you, just hit that like button. If you hit that like button, it does so much for my channel. And I've been blessed the last few videos I've done because you guys have like showered me with like 20 on one, I believe, and like almost like 30 or whatever on the other. And I'm getting volume to my channel. So I need you guys to take a second, hit that like button. It's important. I know it's annoying. People annoy me when they ask about the like button, but it matters. And I could use the blessing. All right. And while you're at it, subscribe and hit the little bell notification. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. All right. I won't bring it up again here. Well, maybe I will at the very end. But all right, moving forward, this video is going to be, I want to talk about the total crypto market cap. I want to talk about just the financial state of the world. I want to talk to you about the Bitcoin halving briefly. I want to talk about Solana and the problems Solana ecosystem's been having. We'll talk to you about Cardano, and some big things have happened recently with Cardano that is kind of concerning. And I want to talk to you about DogeCoin. Why do I want to talk about DogeCoin? Because I got a lot of Doge followers. I mean, every time I do a Doge video, I mean, these people are really coming out of the woodwork. So, yeah, we're going to be covering Doge, and there'll be timestamps so you could jump through the video, to watch whatever you want to watch. And yeah, so with that said, let's dive right in. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before you make any and all financial decisions. All right, guys, here we go. Let's dive right in. For starters, let's see. We got Solana at number 5 market cap slot. We got DogeCoin in number 8 market cap slot. And then we got Cardano in the number 9 market cap slot. So, I mean, especially for you noobs, if you stay in the top 20, I'm not going to say you can't go wrong, because you can. But doing a bull run, everything, it gets crazy. Trust me on that one. All right, so let's jump forward. Let's go ahead and talk about the overall total market cap. I say crap. Oh, my word. Overall total market cap. All right, now this encompasses all the crypto projects, okay? This is all their market caps. You'll see that on, here, I'll do this here, right here. And I'll put this here, and boom. All right, so on November 8th, 2021, at the top of the previous bull run, we hit 3.021 trillion in total crypto market cap. Now, we dropped down to as low as, we'll slide this bad boy over here, on November 21st, 2022, we dropped as low as 724 billion. 0.5 overall total market cap. Now, this is what really caught me off guard earlier when I was charting around. That's why I love charting. Now, you see, I'm going to slide this guy right over here, and you're sitting at January of this is basically, the 2017 bull run. And look where we found the support at. So, this is a 2017 bull run. We peaked out right there at 724 billion market cap. Then we ran up to this bull run up here, all right, in 2021, and then we rested almost perfectly, not quite perfect, but close enough on this point right here. So is it safe to say that this bull run, you can expect that this will be the new support level at 3 trillion, and God only knows how high above that will go? Just to give you an idea how wacky this can get, I should have already pulled this up here, but if I do a price range from here to here, that's a 328% increase, okay? So, is it safe to assume that if we do move this chart, let's see if this move the whole thing. You want to move the whole thing? Yes, it should. All right, we'll do it like this. All right, so is it safe to assume that if I do the same price range from here up 330%, we want just, all right, stick with me, folks. Wow, this is crazy. So is it a possibility at the end of this bull run that the market cap will will reach during the bull run will reach uh, about 8.9 trillion. Say that we'll just say 9 trillion. Yeah, we'll reach 9 trillion, and the lower point, the support level, will be at 3 trillion. Woo! I mean, the charts don't lie. It's what it did last time, and I don't want to spend too much time going backwards because we could do that forever. But if it just replicates what it did last time, that's the kind of numbers we're playing with, guys. And let me tell you, I got guys at work asking. Yes, I'm still in the rat race, very much so. But I got guys at work asking me questions that I never would have thought would be asking me crypto questions now. So for what it's worth, all right. So that's pretty interesting, though. Oh, by the way, I did not tell you guys, leave comments. I love chatting with you guys. Leave comments and follow me on Twitter. That's in the description below. Just go to my Twitter account, follow me. I love answering questions. I love chatting. All right. Now, this right here is, if you haven't seen it, you should really save this. This is a U.S. debt clock, and it's calculating the debt in the U.S. And I mean, it is mind-boggling. Right now, I don't even know how many zeros that is. That's just sick. But I like to sit here and look at it, and it just reminds me of the current state of the U.S. I mean, let's see. This is 100,000. That's a million, billion, $34 trillion, guys. 34,633,000,000,000 in debt. So it's pretty scary stuff. And if you really want to look around, you can go to your state and pick what state you're in. I'm not in California, but I gotta look at California because California is just a funny state to me sometimes. And California's debt. Let's see what it is. I don't know how long it's gonna take to come up. It might take too long. Yeah, figures. Oh, there it is. I see 798 billion in spending, in-state revenue 643. It's actually better than I was expecting, to tell you the truth. But I do remember, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 10% of the economy comes out of California, but that's outdated information there. So we're gonna keep moving forward. All right, so U.S. debt clock right here. This isn't just the U.S. debt clock. This is the world clock, and you see China is falling behind U.S., but U.S. is 34 trillion. It looks like China is 14 trillion. Japan is 13 trillion. It's pretty cool stuff to look at, guys. Just to be educated. And I mean, when you understand what's going on with the rest of the world, you understand what pushes people towards this, the Bitcoin halvening, and why Bitcoin is, taking over the way it has. Now, let's take a quick peek here. What is the Bitcoin block halving event? Block halving events happen every 4 years or 210,000 blocks on a Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin's initial block reward was 50 Bitcoin. The current block reward is 6.25 Bitcoin. The next block reward will be 3.125 Bitcoin. This lowers the rate at which Bitcoins are generated. The halving is periodical and is programmed into Bitcoin's code. All right. Why is it done? Conventional fiat currencies are subject to inflation due to ability of governments or banks to increase the money supply. Unlike these currencies, Bitcoin has capped that total supply 21 million, meaning no additional coins can be created. This is infinite supply alongside. So basically, it's inflation proof, which I already know that. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I went on a tangent there. All right, so let's take a quick peek at Bitcoin on the charts right now, considering that the halving is only 11 days away. And Bitcoin is kind of not bottomed out. I guess you could say bottomed out, topped out. Yeah, we're gonna go with topped out. Yeah, topped out. But right there around 69,000. But yeah, we're just sitting here floating in 69,000 range. And we've been floating here. Oh, this is just on a 15-minute chart. That is horrible. I should have that prepared. Sorry, guys. Let me put this on a 2-hour chart. Yeah, so we topped out here since actually, it's looking pretty good. I really don't consider that a top out, guys. I consider that a very good, healthy chart. That chart for Bitcoin is looking very good. It's looking quite delicious. I'm going to show you how to read this real quick. This is a Fu Manchu. It is a free version of Market Cipher. You can get it on TradingView. This is a change for previous trend indicator. This is a bullish indicator. I'm sorry. What is the exact word? This is the change for previous trend. This is bullish, bearish. Right here, this little green dot's a long signal. And that long signal, as you can see, it's been rising. It's very good. All right, a bearish continuation, bullish continuation. That's it. Short signal right here, and then we just been like slowly stepping our way up. Bitcoin is bullish, guys. There's no other way to look at it. Now, if you look at now, it is predicting a little bit of a pullback with the Fu Manchu B chart here. But yeah, Bitcoin's looking good, guys. But yeah, I didn't want this video to be about Bitcoin technical analysis. Just want to take a quick peek at it, see where it's at. So let's keep moving. All right, let's talk about Solana, guys. All right, Solana founder breaks silence on core network challenges. All right. Solana co-founder Anatoly Yankovenko has broken his silence on the recent challenges the protocol has faced with the processing failure of large transactions. Taken to his official X handle, the Solana founder said, though the bug that slowed down the network has been identified and fixed, other key updates might not be so easy to accomplish. So that's saying that there's some pretty serious bottlenecking issues on that blockchain, and there's more to come. It's pretty clearly stated there. According to his post, Yovenko noted that dealing with bugs is more difficult than keeping the network lively and actively operational. He said the fix for the bug that forced a slowdown can easily be integrated. However, he noted that dealing with congestion bugs is a different affair due to process that are required to ship a single update. Yeah, because like the glitch, it's like a bottleneck going on. So people are putting in transactions and they're not happening. And the whole premises of Solana was for like extremely fast transactions. So I mean, that's a pretty serious problem last week. That's a heck of a glitch. I mean, now Solana is known for crashing and going down and them repairing it as they go. Now that's the difference between Solana and Cardano, whereas Cardano moves at turtle's pace, and it never goes down though. It's perfect. Well, nothing's perfect, but you get the idea. But Solana, they got it to market, but is it really ready for market? I don't know. And yeah. All right. So Solana's crisis checking why 75% of user transactions are failing. Solana see rise in unsuccessful transactions. And this is that video. This I should have put this article before the other one. According to AMB Crypto's analyst of Dune Dashboard, more than 75% of all non-vote transactions on the chain failed on April 4th, the highest ever. The failure rate increased sharply last week. Wow. That's pretty serious, guys. Let's read some more. For the curious, non-vote transactions refer to the transfer of SOL between different Solana accounts or smart contracts and is an indicator of the network's demand and usage. Solana has been experiencing a high network utilization lately, primarily driven by a mad rush for meme coins. The frenzy has attracted crypto degens and hordes, causing a steep spike in trading volumes. Okay, so yeah, Solana's not reliable right now. That's my opinion. But am I invested in Solana? Very much so. Do I think Solana's going to go? Yes, I do. All right. All right, let's take a serious look at their chart here. And again, this is a Fu Manchu chart, and this is on a 4-hour range. All right, so on March 24th, we had, this is on a 4-hour chart, we had a bullish continuation, a bearish continuation, a short signal that fired on April 1st, a heck of a little dip here, then a sell signal, dropped all the way down here. It looks like we bottomed out on April 2nd. And then we have another bearish continuation on the 3rd, a bearish continuation. And we're still kind of experiencing that pullback, but it looks like it found support at 168. Now, if you look at the Fu Manchu B chart here, it looks like we're in the middle of a long signal channel. So the B chart is indicating a long signal. Now this channel here, we're right at all the way up, and we're right in the middle of it. The momentum is moving in the right direction, which is blue. It actually looks like it might have entered into positive territory. Cash flow is positive for Solana, and that is the green. You can't see the green that easily sometimes. And then the yellow there is the volume. So Solana is actually right now looking, according to the Fu Manchu, more bullish than bearish. Very much so. Now, Solana with the Bollinger Bands here. Now, the goal is to get above this median line here in the middle, and we are just barely above it. So we're slightly bullish on a 4-hour chart looking at the Bollinger Bands. These little yellow, these blue lines here, you want to be in the middle of that. And higher to the top is bullish, lower is bearish. Real easy to read. Now, the stochastic RSI chart on a 4-hour chart is indicating that Solana is bullish right now. And the RSI, which is a much slower moving indicator, is also indicating bullish. So Solana is definitely bullish. I'm going bullish, guys. 100% bullish. Now let's take a quick peek at it here with Ichimoku on a 2-hour chart out of curiosity. Ichimoku is actually this right back here, the green and the red. That's actually predicting it to be bearish. So let's see how it plays out. But if I took a bet, I say Solana is bullish right now. And here you can see Solana is riding up this wedge here. I had this on a daily chart. Just sometimes it's better to pull out. Yeah, pull out. That was fun. Sometimes it's better to drag the chart out so that you can get a better feeling of something. And this thing, look, this baby's good. This baby's on fire. All right. Just bouncing around this wedge, and it's just going higher and higher. All right, so let's jump over to this little article right here. This is part of what BitBoy did his video about. Just kind of pissed me off last night a little bit, but BitBoy's BitBoy. I think he has loyalty issues, honestly, but I'm going to leave it alone. I don't like drama. All right, Grayscale drops Cardano ADA from his digital large cap fund. Crypto asset manager Grayscale provides quarterly updates for its multi-asset fund, Grayscale Digital, large cap fund, Grayscale DeFi fund, and the Grayscale smart contract platform X Ethereum fund. In its latest report, the GPTC issuer said it adjusted its GDLC's portfolio to remove Cardano ADA. The company noted that the cash proceeds from ADA were used to purchase other assets in the fund in proportion to their prospective weightings. After these changes, GDLC now holds 70% Bitcoin, 21% Ethereum, 4% Solana, 2% XRP, and 1% Avalanche. According to details shared in a press release, the fund now holds 58% Solana, 14.5% Cardano, 12% Avalanche, 8% Polkadot, 6.25% Matic. So anyway, they sold Cardano. They moved around their portfolio holdings, and it's a big deal because Cardano, as usual, is not performing like investors would like. It is a very slow moving project. I remember leading up to the previous bull run, it was the same thing, and BitBoy did the same thing then. I swear, this cat, I don't know. I thought I had a feeling for him, but I'm gonna stop. But anyway, it's about the numbers, so I watch it for, I don't worry about his personal stuff. So but Cardano is definitely moving at a turtle's pace, but I do think that when she takes off, it's just going to take off quickly, and people won't have a chance to catch. And then the people who are talking bad about it will all of a sudden be talking like it's the greatest thing since sliced bread, and it's really feeling like it's the same thing all over again. That's my take on it. But I've been a big Cardano fan for a long time. But at the same time, we're here to make money. I'm not here for the tech. Well, I used to be, but now I'm here to make money. I'll be honest. And crypto, not fiat money. All right, so let's take a quick peek at Cardano right now on the charts with the Fu Manchu. On the 4-hour chart, we have a change for a previous trend, and we are riding this channel this is bullish, period. Fu Manchu B, the what is this? That's not the volume. You see the momentum is moving up here. The volume is up. Cash flow is down, but yeah, I would say that this is 100% bullish for Cardano on a 4-hour chart, guys. The Bollinger Bands, very bullish. Woo! That's on fire. Look at that. Cardano's on fire with the Bollinger Bands right now, guys. It's riding that top line, 100% bullish. Our classic RSI, which is short term, bullish. RSI, long term, bullish. Cardano's on fire. Right here, had a little chart here that I drew out. You can see Cardano bottomed out at 0.225 on January 10th, 2023. And we're currently at 58 cents. Well, 59 cents. But and it's up 145% since that bottom. But it's got a long way to go. And it's got a long way to go to catch up with everybody else, honestly. That's why they're so frustrated with it. But Cardano, I have faith in. I'm going to be doing more Cardano videos. You should stick around. All right. Let's jump into Doge. Where's my Doge army? You guys have been subscribing like crazy. I appreciate the love. I will do technical analysis on every video for Dogecoin. You guys just keep subscribing. I will do in-depth technical analysis for you guys. All right, so let's take a peek at Dogecoin. What's going on with Dogecoin today? Now, I did a 4-hour time frame yesterday. Today, I'm going to do an hour time frame. All right. Now, this hourly time frame here is definitely more volatile, but it's a meme coin, so you kind of got to approach it that way too. All right, so we had a change from previous trend on April 5th. We had a bullish continuation, a long signal, a lot of bullish continuations, one bearish continuation on April 6th, a bullish on one bullish, bearish, a lot of bullish. It's extremely bullish right now, guys, on a 1-hour chart. Now, the Fu Manchu is extremely bullish. Now, the Fu Manchu B chart is indicating that we might be about to experience a pullback, but now these pullbacks aren't too extreme because we're going to look at the hour chart here. So if you compare it to like this bearish continuation and then this sell signal fired here, it tried to recoup with a long, didn't take, and we're going back to a sell. So it looks like we're going to experience a little bit of a pullback with Dogecoin, maybe. But you look at the chart, it's up 6%. So I might have to do some more charting on this one. Now, and then, like I said, the hours are super volatile. So, and the momentum's way up, cash flow's up, volume's down a little bit. But I guarantee you, if I look at it with the 4-hour chart, it's going to tell a different story. And that's why I like using a 4-hour chart. But it means you got to be patient. And that's where it gets real tricky when you're trading, because this is just beautiful. This is no bullish than this, guys. Change for previous trend, bullish continuation, bullish buy signal, bullish continuation. It's perfect. Look at that channel. Perfect. All right. Now let's jump over here. We're going to look at the hour chart, then we'll jump back to the 4-hour chart. Our chart's definitely bullish, way up here in the Bollinger Bands. The stochastic RSI is actually indicating a pullback on the hour chart, like I thought I saw. Now, the RSI, which is long-term, is still bullish, but short-term stochastic RSI is indicating a pullback. So that was accurate. Ichimoku is actually looking bullish for Dogecoin moving forward. Now, if we put this on a 4-hour chart, it's just this baby's on fire. Psst, look at this. It's on fire, but it did indicate there was going to be a pullback with Ichimoku. So, yeah, this chart's, yeah, I'm glad I took this long yesterday, guys. I am so glad I took this long yesterday. I am an affiliate with Fairdesk, and, yeah, you guys should really check it out. There's a link below. They are KYC. You can KYC or you can not KYC. It's up to you. But I prefer KYC. I like keeping things on up and up. What else do they have? They have 125%, 125x leverage. They have, they're licensed in the U.S. I mean, I like this project. So it's not even a project. It's basically a centralized exchange, and you can also do longing and shorting in the market. But I'm liking it. So, and you guys can copy trade. You can do copy trade. You can follow my trades on it. I'm not the greatest trader. I can read charts, but I'm horrible with sticking that with the plans. So I'm starting over from scratch. But this is my pick yesterday, and it's up 64%. So, booyah! All right. Anyway, you gotta be careful with that stuff because you can lose your butt. Trust me on that. All right. See this Doge? I was trying to chart things out a little bit. You know, and it was cut and dried, guys. I saw this, and I was like, this baby's destined to literally skyrocket. As you get closer to this point, it's just going to skyrocket. It's going to shoot straight up. Doge is going to be big, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but my gut is telling me Doge is going to be huge, and you guys need to be ready. Now, exponential moving average, 1-hour chart, extremely bullish. 4-hour chart, bullish. Let's look at the daily chart. We're going to go for it. Bullish. We're above those ribbons, and we have support. So, yeah, I do foresee Doge really taking off like a rocket. All right, I'm tired of talking. I said I wouldn't do it, but I'm doing it anyway. Hit that like button. If you like this video, you stuck around this long, please take a second, hit that like button, and subscribe. Bless me. Make my day, guys. Hook me up, please. Also, leave comments. I love chatting. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. All right, all that's down in the description. All right, till next time, peace out.